Hey guys, Aubrey here. Today I am doing the Eureka Math Grade 1 Module 5 Lesson 7 homework. So let's get started. Number 1, are the shapes divided into equal parts? Write Y for yes or N for no. If the shape has equal parts, write how many equal parts there are on the line. The first one has been done for you. Alright, so again, like I always say, one of the most important things when doing a math problem is understanding the problem itself. So let's review what are we doing here. So are the shapes divided into equal parts? So equal parts. So when a shape is divided, you have to make sure that both parts, all the parts divided have the equal amount and are equal. So another way for this is to say symmetrical too. It's when the shape is split down the middle, are both sides the same. So we're writing Y for yes and for no, but this isn't, it's like they're just splitting it into parts. So yeah, and we're identifying how many equal parts there are if it is equal. So A, it's split in the middle, and as you can see, there's two parts, and they're both equal, so then it's Y for yes, and 2 because there's two parts. So let's look at B. We have the letter M here. So they cut it down the middle. There's like half an M here and half an M here. So Y for yes, because this is equal, and there's two parts. All right, C, we have Y. They split it in half. This is not equal because the bottom, there's only that little rectangle, but on top, there's like the top of the Y here. But if they split it down the middle, then that would have been equal. But this is not equal, so we write N for no. All right, D, we have a circle. Right away, we can tell this is not equal because this side of the circle is, this side of the shape is clearly way bigger than that side. So N for no, because this is not equal. E, we have a triangle split down the middle, and there's two equal parts. So we have a Y because it is equal, and there's two parts, so we write 2 for 2 parts. And F, we have 4 parts, and they're all equal. They're all triangles. So Y because they're equal, so we write a Y for yes, and 4 because there's 4 equal parts. And G, we split the rectangle, and they have, so now we have two triangles, so they are equal. So Y for yes, and 2 because there's 2 equal parts. In H, we have a triangle here, and we can clearly tell that this is way bigger than that, so N for no because it's not equal. In I, we have a circle. So even though the lines are like pretty much evenly spread out, this is not equal because the two parts on the sides, they are not equal to the ones in the middle. So N for no. And J, so the triangle's kind of tilted, but the whole thing split in the middle into 2 equal parts. So Y for yes is equal, and 2 for the 2 equal parts. And K, if you look closely, the line isn't split down the middle, so this is clearly bigger than that side. So N for no, it is not equal. And now L, we have 4 parts. They are split in the middle, and they are all equal. So Y for yes, and 4 because it's 4 equal parts. And M, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal parts because they're all split evenly. So Y for yes, and 6 for the 6 parts. And N, we have 2 parts. They're split down the middle, so this is even. This is an equal parts, and 2 because there's 2 parts. And L, right away we can tell this is not equal because the bottom only have this little shape pointing thing, and the top, they all have the big other stars, the arms of the stars. So N for no, this is not equal. All right, next page. So number 2, draw one line to make 2 equal parts. What smaller shapes did you make? So here we have a triangle and we're trying to make this into 2 equal parts. So we can just, one way, if we're ever asked to make something into 2 equal parts by drawing one line, usually the best way to do it is just right down the middle. So that's what I'm gonna do here. So now we made 2 more triangles that are smaller and they're both equal. So I made 2, and we can just say smaller, 2 smaller triangles. Number 3, draw 2 lines to make 4 equal parts. What smaller shapes did you make? So now we need 4 equal parts. So let's see. If we split it down the middle, we have 2 equal parts. So to get 4, we can split it again, but this side, let's do it horizontally. So now we have 4 equal parts. So I made 4, just write smaller rectangles. Number 4, draw lines to make 6 equal parts. What smaller shapes did you make? So now we're getting 6 equal parts, and this is usually easier to do with a hexagon since there's 6 sides. So let's see, we can draw, so it says just draw lines. It doesn't say how many lines we have to draw. So we can just do like 2, 3, 4, and 6. So here we have 6 equal parts. So if you look closely, these are all triangles because it has 3 straight sides. So I made 6 smaller triangles because there's 3 straight sides on each of these and they're all equal. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps on my channel. See you guys next time. Bye!